How to check recent snaps you sent. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Snapchat to the latest version. Then open up Snapchat on a device. Now the first option is simply go to the chat option. Now find the recent chats. Now open up the chat. Now here you can find all of your sent snaps. Now the next method is simply go back, tap on the profile at the top left corner. Now go to settings at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on my data. Now wait for some time. Now scroll down. Now unselect all the other options except chat history. Now under chat history, you can find snap history. Now scroll down and tap on next. Now select the date range and tap on submit. Now wait for some time. Now once you get the access to the file, you can find all of your recent snaps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.